Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful that you subscribed to my channel. And if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for doing so. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Christmas Vase or Holiday Urn Decor, and this is basically hosted by Domestic Diva DIY and DIY with Nadia, and their creative content is amazing. And if you haven't been already to their channels, I'll leave the links of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the urn that I created from all the Dollar Tree products, right from the flower pot. So I created this urn from two of the Dollar Tree flower pots. One is the bigger one on the top, and I inverted the smaller one on top of the wooden sign, and also two of the metallic beads lining that you see on top of the wooden sign, and also in between two flower pots I stuck those, and I covered both of the flower pots, whole of the flower pot with caulk, and I painted white. So I created this on basically from Dollar Tree products, and I created this topiary using one of the Dollar Tree pool noodle, and also one of the mop stick. I covered that with contact paper, which is like a wooden grain contact paper, and then I stuck with some of the floral foam on the urn, and I circled this pool noodle around it to give you a topiary look, and I stuck a lot of floral moss around it. So yeah, I created this topiary basically from Dollar Tree product, and I stuck a lot of Spanish moss in there, if you can see, and some of the moss blocks around it. And since it's Christmas, I just decorated this with string lights, red color, if you can see, because the daytime you can't really see the color, it's glowing. So this is how I decorated my own, basically from Dollar Tree product. And I also decorated with two of the gnomes, and one of the ceramic gnome I got from Michael's long back. So on this side you'll see a small vase that I decorated, and I created this decor. I'll also leave a link for this project in my description box, and I painted it green and have one of the green fairy inside, Tinkerbell, because that's my favorite character from Disney. And in the evening usually I lit it up with a candle in there. Yeah, so this is one corner of my front porch decorated with the urn topiary on top of it. I'm sorry about the noise because I'm on the outside, and then you can hear the noises of the car. Sorry about the noise. So this is in the evening after I lit up all the lights. So I just want you to see how it looks in the evening. It's all lit up. And there's one of the small Christmas tree in my side light. And I also had one more pole, and decorated with the lights and some of the green Christmas theme. So yeah, so this is how I decorated.